Hello everybody. Oh, that's close to that. But hello everybody. Welcome to a new video. I haven't posted in a while. I don't think anyone's gonna miss that anyways. Probably just random person, scrolling by for a tutorial. But today in this video, also happy 100 subscribers. We hit 100 subscribers. I think it was just now, and it's pretty crazy to think about. However, in this video, also, no, Happy New Year's, everybody. I mean, it's January 3rd, 2 days late, but Happy New Year's, everybody. Hope you guys had a good Christmas and New Year's. And I hope you guys caught that bag of, Christmas gifts. So you probably have some new technology, you know what I mean? Yeah, that sounds very cringe, but we're gonna go on with this video. Today, we're gonna be doing how to set up virtual display driver for Sunshine. Now, in the previous video, I think it was, we set up Sunshine on the computer and we were able to use it using tailscale or port forwarding. And yeah, and what we're essentially going to do is if you have your own like computer, but you don't have a monitor attached, you might realize that Sunshine doesn't work with that, and it's pretty much a bummer. But in this video, I'm going to show you how it works. And this also goes for some laptops, especially because I have this other laptop and it uses the iGPU instead of the NVIDIA GPU, which makes the quality very bad. So this video would very much help. But let's get straight to it. So what we're gonna do, just come over here to this GitHub. I have it linked in the description. No worries about that. And then you're just going to click here, here, and download that. Don't mind all my, downloads, not endorsed by much. Already downloaded in the past, but let's go down here, open up the folder, guys, and we're going to open this up. I'm muting AI right now. All right, click yes. It's going to bring you to this page, which you want to click after that. It's going to try to connect, but can't find it. So what you want to do, just click install driver here. It's going to install the driver. Make sure you press install. Perfect. There you go. Connect to the display driver pipe. And then the essential thing to do if you're on a laptop, you're going to want to do set GPU. Actually, wait, first, let's go on help. And then we're going to look for the command that shows every driver. I mean, it shows every oh, it's right here. Tools and get GPU information. Let it get the information real quick. And then you're going to look for your GPU name right here. Just copy that. And then you're going to do set GPU and copy that in. Oh, let's get rid of that. And then it's going to disconnect it and then reconnect. And then we're going to want to go to our Sunshine local post. I think it was 47. I forgot. Let's go here. Let's open up Sunshine. And I did just reinstall Sunshine for this, so we're just going to put in our username and passwords, our new ones. Come on, I've got all day. All right, now when you're on this screen, I'm going to go to troubleshooting and just restart Sunshine so it could detect the newest, devices and everything. All right, once that's restarted, scroll in here and you're going to look for this one right here. Yep, just find friendly name VDT by MTT. And you're just going to copy this device ID. Once you copy that device ID, just go to configuration. Then you're going to go to audio/video and then copy this right in here. And then also, what's also important, I mean, this works for me in my case, but you want to go here, activate the display. You want to deactivate other displays and activate the only specified display. Then you want to click save and then apply. And if everything goes well, just go to troubleshooting. Should show you your display down here. And it should also say your GPU. If it says your GPU right here, then Perfect. You're already done. Like that's literally it. I don't know how else to say it. And yeah, and then for your laptop users, you could finally go to advanced and then just force NVIDIA NVNC. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then optimize all your stuff. And then when you connect to the computer, which I will actually test on my phone right here, go to tail scale because that's how I use on my computers. I forgot what computer I am. All right, this one. Let's test out right here. Let's go to Moonlight. Let's go back. Also, in the next video, I'll actually show you guys how to make a wake on LAN because yeah, it's pretty cool. I set it up already. I have a gaming laptop hooked up to the Ethernet in the living room, and I use another computer to wake it up via LAN with so that I could use the Sunshine with Tailscale. Let's go here. Apologize for a lot of yap. So we're gonna register our phone real quick. Test. And what you're gonna see here is our displays are gonna deactivate, and we're gonna be able to stream. Let's click. Starting desktop. Nope, there it goes. You might see black right now, guys, but on my side, trust me, I am seeing what I'm seeing, and it is using the NVENC to encoder, which is great for quality, by the way. Like even just the P1 preset, it's great. And if you're on lower bitrate, might well up that up. And yeah, it's using my NVIDIA GPU, even though the display is on the iGPU, which is the integrated. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Wait, let me. Ah, crap. I might be stuck here. Let's quit. Ah. All right. All right, I got that. I got that. All right, guys, we're back. We're back. Um, our display isn't the. It's there. You go. All right, and yeah, there you go. There you have it. And let's go actually check if it did use our. I'll actually prove to you guys that it did use our DGPU. If you don't trust me, you know. But I'm sure you guys trust me. Maybe. I mean, you won't trust a random guy on the internet. But it's gonna go in here. Let's log in. All right, troubleshooting. Scroll down. See if that connection actually used our. I don't. Didn't show anything. Well, I guess, but I did connect, and it was using my DGPU, and that's pretty much it for the tutorial. It's that simple to get working, and yeah. If you guys have any more problems, concerns, questions, you guys could always hit me up in my comments. Sometimes responding, sometimes not. Pretty iffy about it, but if you get lucky, I'm just kidding. Not if you get lucky, I'll most likely be there. But hope you guys have a great day. I mean, it is 10 p.m. as a recording, which is pretty late. But hope you guys have a great day and or night and laters. Gotta click right here. Later.